Hey, I am Qasim Gulzar and I am a student. Today I am gonna discuss whether climate change is a hoax or is it real. There are some myths about climate change and because of these myths, some people believe that it's not real. Those who believe in the myths, they never did research. They heard it from someone and they made their concept that scientists were lying. I know some myths. One of those myths is global warming does not exist at all and there is no climate change. But on the other side, scientists say that our Earth, atmosphere, and oceans are warming rapidly, and many other aspects of climate are changing. Here comes another myth, and there are people who believe in it. And the myth is the change in climate is a natural variability. The planet has gone through many warmer and cold periods in the past, and this is another one of them. But scientists say that the observations of climate system show that human activities, mainly the emission of carbon dioxide from the burning of fossil fuels, is the main cause of warming. But there are some other factors such as methane and nitrous oxide emissions and deforestation, etc. And there is another common myth that a warming of 2 or 3 degrees Celsius is not important, as the difference in temperature between night and day and between summer and winter are much larger. But the reality is, climate related impacts that matter for people, infrastructure, and ecosystems are mostly related to extreme climate events and not to average climate. So, small changes in average climate lead to large changes in the frequency and intensity of extreme climate related events. There comes another myth. No matter how much we try and cut our greenhouse gas emissions, it won't have any effect on the climate in the coming decades. Why bother? But it's time for taking effective action to stop and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. There is clear evidence about climate change, but still such type of myths exist in our societies and people believe in such myths. The reason behind this is that misinformation is widespread. As we know, former American president said climate change is a hoax. Then it's clear that if such officials will spread misinformation because of some misunderstanding and without complete research, then such type of myths will spread and it's not a good thing. The reason behind this denial of climate change is complexity of topic and socio-political ideology, and it is more difficult to address ideologically motivated rejection of science. So climate change is a complex topic and our world has become a global village. Now everyone and anyone can post things right, wrong or somewhere in between. So if you want to access right and reliable knowledge, you need to listen to some authentic person. You should read blogs of scientists and those who have better research and better knowledge. Don't listen to anyone or any post which shows up suddenly in your device. Viewers, if you think that if global warming exists, then why there is snow on the mountains this winter? And if you think that scientists are lying and trying to raise money for their research and the topic of climate change was created by some country, then you need to do some research. Do yourself a favor, read and listen to scientists, not to presidents and prime ministers. Every president is not a scientist, but a student of science, a scientist can be a president. Climate science is a scientific topic, not political. So, politicians know politics and scientists know the science. Listen to a scientist of climate science and you will know the truth. Thanks for watching and listening. Have a good day.